stuck with the springs. Oh my god, I'm scared. What is up, you guys? We are currently going to El Morro, El Castillo de San Felipe, and I'm super excited to have you guys on board. Let's go. So we made it back. We're back. It's actually so beautiful. I'm in awe. We're here to go to El Castillo. We're gonna figure out how we can get in. I know that we have to pay. And honestly, please Uber. Just, I don't know if there's an event or something going on today, but it's really packed. All the lots were full, as you guys saw, and it was just a lot easier to get here if we're getting dropped off. Yeah, let's figure out where we're going, and then I will let you guys know. Alright, so we officially made it to the entrance. This is so crazy. Yeah, I just gave it one. Alright, so something very important to know is that there's no cash accepted here. Hi, how are you? Good. Yes, please. Alright guys, that's gonna be with I got it. Thank you. Yeah, that's crazy. Wow. This is the real deal. That's crazy. I guess they would shoot it from over here. Wow. Can you imagine? Stairs. Okay, I don't want to drop my camera, so I'm not gonna really like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but those are stairs right there. You saw the stairs here? It's okay. Where am I going? I did. How much longer? Taking my glasses off. No, bro. It's dark now. I'm scared. Yo. These are big staircases. I thought they were short. How the hell? Good. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm trying to cut, like, there's windows up there. I don't know. I'm sure it says it downstairs. You guys, I didn't even fit in here. I'm over here trying to... What if I get stuck with this freaks? Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh my god. That's crazy. I guess I know what this was for. This was to try to see people before they even got to the house. Alright, so we figured out that these were the kitchens.
This is a circular staircase, almost one of those stairs.
Oh. Give it a stretch before coming here. Get a little workout in. Move your body, have it warmed up. Alright you guys, they have a little bookstore here where they have the water, Gatorade. The water is $3.35 and the Gatorade is $4.46. So I'm actually in the bathroom right now. And I heard that we had a view, so I had to come back outside and see. Or inside, I should say. Wow. This might be the best bathroom I've ever been in. Talk about clutch. Perla should be coming up. And then El Viejo San Juan should be to the right. We really want to check out Melo's basketball court, so I think that's where we're headed.